Hello people, this is a video of an art guide to show you how awesome digital art is. I didn't record the real painting process out of pure laziness, so what? That's part of life, you know. Anyways, first is the sketch. It's obvious that we need the sketch to get accurate results. Set the reference layer in low opacity and make a new layer to outline the reference layer. Now we add the base color to put some vibrant colors on it. As you can see, I already added the shadows and highlights because I paint really fast sometimes. You can see the shadows are here in this area, and the highlights are in this area. Next, you need to know how shadows and highlights work in a painting. I'll make a tutorial about it soon. Now you can use the eyedropper tool to select the color and blend it to another color. Just hold the color in Ibis Paint and it will select the color automatically. Now it's time for everyone's favorite, drawing the lips. Grab a reference for this process. Take your time to blend the colors to show the glossy lips in your artwork. Cool, right? Now we add the hair. I show a painting tutorial on how to draw or paint hair very soon. As you can see, we need to paint the shape of the hair and not the strands. Now time to render everything and edit the saturation of the artwork afterwards when the blending of the colors are done. Thank you for watching this video.